First, we measured 5 meters of rope of length for our pendulum. Then we went in the staircase so that when our pendulum was working, it didn't touch the floor. This is a global view of our pendulum going back and forth. For the midpoint of the pendulum, we had the mark on the wall, so we could use it to calculate the period. In this video, we see that the period is calculated as the pendulum goes completely back and forth the midpoint. So here we see the first period calculated, so the first time the pendulum reached the midpoint after back and forth. And this is the time at which the pendulum made another back and forth, so we can calculate a second value for period. Here we see the values that were used in order to calculate the experimental gravity. Some values were just there as a reference but weren't used in the actual calculation. And we see that we ended up with an experimental gravity of 9.66 meter per second squared.